Hey guys, mrmoney here, and in today's video we're learning how complete beginners just like you and me make an extra $1,000 effortlessly making use of Telegram. And I'll show you exactly how it's done, so let's give it a shot. I'm pretty positive that most of you guys watching this video have used Telegram at least once in your lifetime. This is just a great messenger app, an alternative to WhatsApp. And as a consequence of that, it's becoming more and more popular every single day with over 10 million total downloads on Google Play alone. But this is not gonna be a review of Telegram. Instead, we're going to focus on the earning opportunities and the way in which you can monetize your time online using this app as a tool. First and foremost, one of the greatest features that has contributed to the popularity of Telegram is the fact that you can literally have an unlimited number of members in a Telegram group. Unlike WhatsApp, which limits the total number of members to 250 or something of that sort. And that's a great advantage. You can literally build the entire community inside the Telegram group. You can have people that have common interests, who are interested in the same exact topic, perhaps who have the same exact purpose. And that's really, really powerful. That opens up a world of different earning opportunities for us. And with that in mind, one of the greatest and most effective things that you can do inside Telegram is build a group where you're literally gathering similar individuals with similar interests. And now you might be saying, well, I don't have any sort of expertise in a field of activity. I'm not an expert. I don't have any sort of social media following that I can leverage. But that is not going to be needed. Literally, all you gotta do is find a subject, find a topic that you are passionate about. That can literally be video games or movies or TV series. Even if you're a couch potato who sits around all day, chances are you do have a field of activity that you're passionate about, that you're interested in and have some sort of expertise about. Because even by watching all of those movies and TV series every single day, you have a lot of knowledge about the actors, about the cast, about the plots, the scenarios, and so on and so forth. You do know something. You've got information you can share with other people, right? And believe it or not, chances are there will be a lot of people on the internet with very similar interests. Let's just stick to the example of video games, for instance. Let's just say that we're about to launch a Telegram group focusing on news related to video games. For instance, we can just outsource our work by heading over to ea.com/news. And this website right here displays all of the latest news related to EA Sports, right? Battlefield briefing, get ready for launch. And here's another one, Battlefield's commitment to positive play, and so on and so forth. You get the point here. You can literally create a Telegram group that focuses on this precise topic, where you simply share all of this latest news on your Telegram channel and then allow people to comment down below, sharing their honest review. You're essentially allowing free speech there, and people love it. But we are doing all of that with a final purpose in our mind. And that is building an entire community. The more members we can gather, the better it's gonna be, because we can then leverage that audience. We can leverage that traffic that we're generating, right? And here's how you're gonna do it. Here's the first method that you can start making money off of your Telegram group that you have built yourself. What you can do is connect to a website such as Cpalead.io, for instance. This is a website specialized on Telegram ads. Here's how it works. There will be two different sections. One of them is dedicated for advertisers, and that's not our case. And the other one is specifically tailored for channel owners, which we are aiming to become. And quite literally, the average income from selling advertising in channels per month is an extra $500. Just imagine that, guys. You're literally getting $500 with virtually no work. All you gotta do is build a Telegram group, gather a whole community who's interested in the same topic. And again, that can be video games, that can be movies, TV series, whatever you are passionate about, you can share it with other people. And chances are you will find very similar individuals out there. And that is an extra $500 per month. It doesn't genuinely get any better than that. They've also got an excellent rating on Cpalead, which goes to prove that these guys know what they are doing and they're actually paying the channel owners. There you have it, 4.4 stars out of 5. That's an excellent rating. And I'm not sure they've been around for a long time. I think this is a fairly new project as well. And the greatest feature on this website is that you can literally get to pick a topic and then the number of subscribers, and this tool will give you the estimated income that you can expect on a monthly basis. Let's just try it out. Let's say that we're planning on launching the Telegram channel related to movies and TV series and celebrities. For instance, celebrities and lifestyle. That's a good one. Let's just choose that one, and that's literally gonna be an extra $514 on a monthly basis with the number of 50,000 subscribers. As your community grows, you're making even more money than that. And now let's choose a different topic. Let's say we're focusing on cryptocurrencies, for instance. As you can see, the payout on that one is going to be around $286 based on an audience of 50,000 subscribers. And if we take it one step further to 100,000, we have basically doubled our income. And of course, the more members we get, the more money we are making. Now, realistically speaking, getting 1 million members on your group will be pretty tricky. Even if you only have 5 to 10,000 subscribers on your Telegram group, you can still get some extra cash on a monthly basis, and this is just one of the earning opportunities here. This is not even the main focus of today's video, this is just a bonus. But all in all, it's a great way of monetizing your traffic because you can even withdraw your funds 3 times a week, so you're in full control. And the way it works is fairly simple as well. You basically add a channel to the catalog, then receive orders and publish it, and finally you get paid. And you will be able to withdraw funds 3 times a week when your account reaches $10. They've got the minimum threshold of $10, which is pretty reasonable to me. It doesn't take an eternity to reach that minimum threshold. But let's actually take it one step further, because depending 100% on a single stream of income is not a wise decision. We need to diversify our streams of income as much as possible. And when it comes to that, CPA offers will help us out. Now, CPA stands for cost per action. This is a business model that allows you to get paid whenever a person performs a certain action. Let's just say I have just sent a link to my friend Dave. They click on that link and submit their email address. I can literally get paid an extra $2.5 whenever my friend watches an ad or signs up using his email address. It doesn't get any easier than that. And in order to make it work, all you gotta do is connect to offerable.com or CPA Grape, and there are a few other websites out there, and find an offer. Now, from my experience, what you want to go for is email submit, because this is the easiest one to implement. So let's just select that when it comes to the category. And when it comes to the country, you need to go for the country where most of your members are from, if that makes sense. So if most of the members in your Telegram group are from the United States, you can just go for the United States, right? I hope that makes sense. And let's take a look at this one, for instance. You can literally grab your link from this website and share it with your Telegram group members. So whenever they sign up using their email address, they will take part in an iPhone X giveaway. Quite literally, they can receive an iPhone X just for entering in their email address. They don't have to submit credit card credentials or any sensitive information. They don't have to make a purchase. They don't have to spend a single dollar. All they gotta do is enter in their email, and if they do that, you're getting paid $2.55. Guys, let's just say that you've got 1,000 members in your Telegram group, right? That's not too difficult to achieve. And out of that, a solid 10% actually complete this. That's gonna be an extra 100 times 2.55. That's an extra $250 that you're making. And that is done just by leveraging the traffic you've already built. Or let's take it one step further. You can start selling affiliate products. Remember, you're already getting all of that traffic. You've got a solid group of people who are all interested in the same kind of topics. For example, let's just say that your Telegram group focuses on making money online. That's a great topic, right? You're allowing people to discuss different ways they can monetize their time online. What you can do next in order to build an extra passive stream of income is partner up with the seller on Digistore24, for instance. You can go for the business and investment niche, or email marketing for that matter. And just by partnering up with these guys and grabbing your affiliate link, you're literally getting a 50 to 80% commission whenever you generate a sale. Just like that, without bothering about the production of those goods or services, without bothering about the delivery. You're literally driving people to a link, and when they make a purchase, you're getting a solid 50% commission. Sometimes you can even make more money than the seller. This is just crazy. The earning potential is really high, and you're literally converting the traffic that you're already getting for free without spending any additional cash on ads. You don't have to run any ads campaigns. Or let's even take it one step further. Let's say that you are an expert in a certain field of activity, or over time you get to develop a particular skill and you want to give back to your community. What you can do is launch a course on Skillshare, for instance, which takes a little bit of time. And again, you need to have mastered a certain skill before being able to do that. And then you can just use the free traffic in your Telegram group. And if you're doing everything correctly, you can convert those leads into customers. And if you're still watching this video, you're really lucky, because here is one of my personal favorite ways that you can make money through Telegram groups without actually creating any Telegram group yourself, without having any sort of social media following, and without building any community. First off, what you can do is connect to rarity.tools. This is a great website that allows you to keep track of the latest NFT drops and collections. What I want you to do right now is click on the upcoming section right here, and that literally displays the upcoming NFT sales. This one, for instance, was just launched yesterday, and this other project right here will be launched in just a few hours. Now, of course, that doesn't mean all of these projects will be successful. It is far from that. In my opinion, when it comes to the NFT world, a lot of projects are scams. People are just looking to get an extra buck as quickly as they can by pulling the rug on you. However, if you've got the time to do the research, you might actually find some hidden golden nuggets here. And as you can see right here, most of these NFT projects will have a Discord channel. They will also have a Twitter page and a website, and on top of that, most of them also have a Telegram group. And here's how you can make money with that. Provided you've done the research correctly and you know that this project is legit and the developers know what they are doing, they're not just looking to get a quick buck just like that, you can join the Telegram group, do your research, and then find a way to get involved in this NFT project. Now, again, that doesn't guarantee it's gonna be successful, but you can take all the precautionary actions in order to make sure that you're not just wasting your time and cash. And that is literally how you can make an extra $100 or $200, even $1,000 per week, why not, by flipping NFTs without even building a Telegram group yourself. However, I would personally go for the first option because that will work on a long-term basis. When it comes to flipping NFTs, let's say you find a successful project, you cash in a profit, and that's it. Moving forward, you won't be able to make any extra profits. However, when it comes to your Telegram group, which you have built over time with similar people who have similar interests, you can keep on leveraging that moving forward. You can find all sorts of ways you can monetize your traffic. It's organic traffic that you don't have to pay for. Those are similar guys with similar passions and similar hobbies. So that's a great community. That's it for now. Take action, guys, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.